Okay, we are going with our next weekly review. And so let's just start with the results first. I started with a $2,000 gain this week. Congratulations. It's not amazing, but it's, $2,000, right? $2,000 a week is what? Anybody know? It's a decent amount of money. Now, with that being said, I haven't made $2,000 a week. So why am I even saying that? So far in the last, but I am making money every week. And what should happen is as I grow this, it should get better and better. And so, look, I'm managing 8 accounts. Now, does anybody here think that that's too many accounts? It might be. But the good news is that I'm not really doing anything too active. I would say that out of all these, my most active is the backdoor income. That takes a lot. I'm doing credit spreads, and I made another $102 here. The other one that takes a lot is really it's Shibarium's probably spending the most of my time right now, but that's just because I'm learning more about this network and crypto. And I am going to be I'm actually writing an article about it because there's a lot of opportunity there. And so that's spending most of my time. Orca is pretty much on auto. Crypto's pretty much on auto. Edge Robot's on auto. 52 Trades is really just a weekly. I do once a week. And then $1 Million Forex is mainly swing trading. And you can see I didn't really do well with that. So this week, though, my biggest boom was in the crypto side because we got a big move on Orca or big move on crypto. And so still down on the year right here, but Orca's about ready to cross over to new highs. The other great one was 52 Trades. Had a really good trade on DoorDash this week that pulled me over the top. And then the stock market's been really good, so that helped me with my dollar cost averaging strategy. And that one's now currently at an all-time high. So that's pretty cool with that. So overall, I'm pretty excited about where we're going here. And, I'm going to be working on this $1 Million Forex. I've been super, that's the great thing about trading is I've had a lot of crazy stuff happen in my life. And so I haven't had as much time to focus on some of this stuff. But next week, I'm going to be scheduling a live day of trading for the YouTube channel because you guys gave me enough likes on my CCI video, which I'm really excited about. And I got some great feedback on that. I just haven't had time to come back and schedule the time. So with that being said, I'm really pumped up about it. It's going to be good. And I was talking to some of my students this week about day trading, and they've done really well. So I'm very excited about taking a day of day trading, seeing if we can bump this account a little bit, because right now I've been holding some long-term trades and they're just kind of going sideways. So yeah, again, just a recap on what everything is. 52 Trades is a weekly strategy where I buy call options once a week. Edge Robot is an auto trading robot in currency. Crypto is basically buying and holding a crypto portfolio. Orca is Solana based, and it's a Solana token that I'm holding. It's providing liquidity and collecting interest, but I also make money when Solana goes up, which it did last week. Dollar cost averaging is different stocks. Backdoor income is credit spreads. And then $1 Million Forex is a prop account that I passed. And now I have access to $50,000 in cash. All right. And then Shibarium's a new blockchain that I've been buying tokens on. And they've been doing really well. And as I get time and as I get feedback from people that are excited and interested, I'll do individual videos on some of these, but make sure you let me know in the comments which ones you want. All right. That's it for this week. Again, we had a nice week of $2,000 in profit. Let me know how you're doing. I'd love to know how I can help you advance your trading success. All right. Thank you. And we'll see you next week. And hopefully I'll crank out some videos this week. But as I said,